Hey guys, Susi here. Today let's see how to make this awesome and very easy origami pen stand. I really enjoyed making this and hope you too will enjoy. If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up to this video and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. You guys can wonder how these paper sheets are gonna withstand some pens and pencils into it, but believe me, it was much stronger than I imagined. Guys, you should try this easy pen stand. It takes only 20 to 30 minutes to make, and I am sure it will add value to your desk or wherever you wish to place it. You can also use this as a vase for some paper flowers too. I hope you will try. I wish all of you to try this and share your experience in the comment section below. So that's it guys. This looks so awesome and it will add a value to your desk. Hope you will try this at your home and don't forget to comment below and also give a thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.